Is this thing working? Yeah, I think we're good. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, I am switching it up, y'all. I am switching it up. We're gonna be adding some new POVs. We're gonna be adding some new perspectives. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to switch it up a little bit, all right? You know, we still gonna be riding the bike, right? But we're gonna switch it up. I'm gonna start adding little stuff here. We're gonna do little things. I'm gonna extend the journey or go outside of the box when it comes to the journey, this motorcycle journey that I'm on, and I want to share it with y'all, feel me? And today is the start of that. Today is the first video of that, right? And it's fall time, right? That's what I am layered up. I'm telling you, it is fall, but it is winter temperatures. You feel me? It's like 45 degrees outside right now, y'all. But I told y'all, you know, that's not gonna stop me. You know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna be making videos regardless, right? So tag along with me, right? Oh yeah, what are we doing today? You know, what are we doing today? We're going to the gun range, y'all. Yes. Yeah, we're going to sling some lead down the range today. If you're excited, let me hear you. We're going to be slinging some lead down the range today. That is today's video, y'all. Hey, like I said, we switching it up today. It's colder. It's good. We making videos, and I'm switching it up today. All right, so we go, you know, I'm still going to be riding on the bike, right? I'm going to start on the bike. You know, I'm going to fuel up, get ready, and then we gonna go to the lane. We're gonna go to the range. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take y'all along for the journey. So without further ado, y'all, let's go. We got to get some gas. We got to get some gas. That is essential, y'all. That is essential. We gotta lean with it. Lean with it, rock with it. How much it takes to fill this bad boy up? Lean with it, rock with it. 450. Ah! I like to round it up though. No. 444? I'll take that. I mean, I don't support, actually. I don't know what that means, so we're gonna go. Cause no folks, they'll be like, oh, he supports whatever that means. 451 that'll do. Nope, not doing it. Cause I don't know what that means. I don't want to hear it. So to go into a little bit more detail about my trip to the range this afternoon, one of my EDCs is my Taurus G2C, right? It's a compact 9mm. I'll show it once I get to the range, but really today I just want to send a bunch of rounds through it, right? Number one, I just want to test the reliability of this Taurus G2C. You feel me? I had it for a little bit now, but obviously the more and more rounds you put through it, you feel me, that's the more and more reliable you can count it as. You know what I'm saying? You put 1,000 rounds through it and it never jams or anything, then it would be more reliable than you putting 100 rounds through it. I mean, 100 rounds don't really mean nothing, you feel me? It can start malfunctioning, you feel me? Once you put 500 rounds in it start acting all weird and crazy, right? Doing all sorts of stuff. So really, I'm just testing the reliability of one of my EDCs, a Taurus G2C compact 9mm. I'm just gonna be wanting some rounds through that thing, you know what I'm saying? It's been doing good so far. It's been doing really, really well so far. I really don't have no problems with it as of now. But obviously, right, that could all change when I get to the range, you feel me? And it start jamming or something like that, you know? And I know sometimes you gotta maintenance your guns as well. I mean, they're guns, they're tools, but even guns need a little bit of maintenance. And I ain't gonna lie, I've been lacking on the maintenance just a little bit, okay? I haven't been maintaining it as much as I should, you feel me? So when I get the time, I take it apart and, you know what I'm saying, clean and lube everything when I get the time. So I just haven't got to it, man. You know what do you want me to say? I just haven't got to it. So we just gonna be putting some lead down the range. I forget how many rounds I got. Let's see, probably, I mean, it's not a lot. It's at least 100 rounds I got. It's at least 100. Some light, some light. Hey, hey, little doggy. Hey, you see me? Oh, you can hear me? Oh, he trying to get to me, man. Trying to get to me. Sorry, I can't pet you. All right, I can't pet you. I'm sorry, I can't. In the middle of traffic right now. I just can't. Despite it being a lot colder, as long as you dress up, man, it's fine. But it's still crazy how, like, the sun is out, obviously, as you can see. But, bro, it's like, it's 40-something degrees. The sun is out, no clouds, and it's 45 degrees. Like, what? Where is that radiation going? It's not like the sun is getting weaker. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I mean, I am testing the reliability of this gun right now, but I also just want to make sure my skill is on par, right? I just want to make sure I can, you know, hit a quarter from, you know, 100 yards away itself. You feel me? I just want to keep my skills up to date. You feel me? So, you know, because if you don't practice it, you're going to lose it. Well, that depends on a lot of things. Shooting, let me think about it. If you don't, I don't think you lose the skill of shooting that hard. I don't think the fall off is that hard compared to something like, you know, maybe basketball or something. Nah, I can pick up basketball pretty quick too. You know, it just depends on how much time you put into it, right? But any length of extended time, you feel me? Yeah, the skills are gonna deteriorate a little bit, right? And so it may take a week or two to get back on the par, you know. So every now and then, I don't go to the range nowhere near as much as I used to, but I tend to make it a habit when, you know, obviously I have a gun I want to test out, put rounds through, or like I just said, you want to keep the skills like on what is it called? I want to keep my skills on par, the best I can be. You feel me? And to try out new stuff too. Oh, look at that. What is that paint job even called? Oh my goodness. You see it reflective. It was reflective. What do you call that? I ain't gonna lie. Y'all can see it. That's cool. You know, I like unique stuff. You know, me personally, I wouldn't buy that. Like, I wouldn't buy a Cybertruck, and I wouldn't buy that wrap. But because that vehicle is unique, and because that paint job or wrap is unique, I just appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? I like that. You know, I like the fact that somebody went out of the norm to put a wrap like that on there. That's cool to me. That's not my taste, but that's cool to me though. That's cool. That's awesome. Look at this right here. We got a whole 50 on the back. Call of Duty in here, man. Got armor plates. Oh man, yeah, these are armor plates. Oh my, it'll be heavy to carry these though. Oh my goodness, those are heavy to walk around with all day. Torch.
sale like $4.99 now. I'm from this little. No, I'm just saying if you ever want, like it's good to have something short too. You're in the house. Oh, do this. Watch this.
Wait, I think it whatchamacallit. I think it whatchamacallit. It didn't fire. This round didn't go off, I think. Let me see. This right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this thing out.
Yeah, one of the rounds didn't feed. Yeah, all intended target. I got a little hair though, and should be. Right, we'll do this one next. We'll go a little bit further out too. How far is that?
I'm gonna get a Band-Aid first. That's just my truck. Please. Yeah. Bro, it come with everything. Oh, the plates for your optic.
Yeah.
All that for $6.99.
Man, you got that little slider there.
Oh, it's $6.99.
Yeah.
Okay. I cited it. I don't know. I mean,
Well, it worked for mine.
good. Good.
Yeah, buddy.
And we, you might want to make sure the folks tight.
No,
They all
I hit this
still
guy.
tight now. I wouldn't do it. But if you decided that's the option you gonna stick with.
You what?
I say I wouldn't do it. But if you ever decide you never gonna change that optic, you can lock tight. You can lock tight with it.
Bro, I killed him. I killed him, bro. Let's see. I killed her.
So this will put it
Whatever that's done, there's a light that's in there. Yeah. I got it.
Well, unless his heart is on this side, then we got a bunch of whatchamacallit. One right between the eyes. One right here. Here. All over here.
Take the blend.
I had to call the ceasefire. Hold up. This way it goes. Turn it on. You got when you ain't got no time. That's why I say I'm the only people that's got that. The way they make it. Take my own. Yeah, just you know. Yeah. I'm using all mine. Let's just use it. Here's that. What is that? is a good thing.
So the GoPro got too hot. It either gets too cold or too hot, but I guess it can't be helped that much. It's a smaller camera. But we back, we finished. I had a good time as always, you feel me? But you know, one thing, the magic thing, that gun didn't jam, but it didn't chamber around, okay? So I'm assuming it did it twice, and this is the first time it's done this, where it didn't chamber around. It did it twice, and that's the first time it did it on this session, okay? So I had a good time, but I need to look into that. And the primary suspect is maybe the magazines, the springs in the magazines, you know, because it's the same ammo, you know, different brand, but it's still 124 grain 9mm FMJ. That's just what I use to send down the range, you know, because it's cheaper. You know, it's just a different brand. So I think it may be a spring problem in one of my magazines, okay? I think one of the magazines, the springs may be worn down, you feel me? But once again, man, other than that, I had a good time. It's always a good time. And as you guys seen, I still got it. You feel me? I'm still a bad man. But I do need to practice drawing from that 45-degree angle. That's something I need to work on. Because when I'm standing still and stuff like that, my shots are on target. But trying to draw from like a resting position and then fire around it too, yeah, that's a little bit more difficult. But I just need to practice. That's all that is. I just need to practice that so I can get my shots where I want them. You know, they were still center mass, right, on the little alien, but they weren't exactly where I wanted them to be, right? And I think it's just because I'm relatively new. Not new, but you know, I don't practice that skill in drawing from that resting position like that. So other than that, man, and then it not chambering a couple times, I need to research that. But hey, good time, you know, I still got it. But I appreciate y'all for tuning into this video. Until next time, I will see y'all soon.